Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix launch error in the finals. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you need to open the Steam page of the finals and make sure you have the minimum requirements. If you don't have, then the game won't run for you. But if you have the minimum requirements, then follow the next steps. Next, you have to check if the server is down. Search for the finals Twitter and check all the recent posts. If there is a server down or maintenance, then there will be a post about it, and you will have to wait till the maintenance finishes. Next, open Task Manager and first close the finals and then try launching the game again. Next, you need to make sure all the necessary files of the finals are installed. Open the finals Steam page from Library and then open Properties. And check for game file integrity. If all is okay, then restore your computer and then try again. This should fix your problem. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Instant Nerd.